Alright guys, welcome to your 26th UDK tutorial, and in this tutorial it's probably going to be real quick because I only want to go over one very small thing, and that's this little T with the up, down, left, right arrows, the texture align mode. So go ahead and click that. Now click on the texture, and let me tell you guys what the texture align mode does. The texture align mode pretty much allows you to mess with all the properties of a texture. It allows you to move it around, scale it, rotate it, pretty much anything you can do with a polygon before you can do with a texture now. So basically it's an alternative to this surface properties. Whenever you're working with textures, I recommend that you use these surface properties, but if you just need to do a real quick fix on a texture, like just move it a little bit, then the texture mode would be fine. So go ahead and you can do things like move them around using the translation mode. Let me go ahead and demonstrate moving around the texture. And you could also hop over to rotate. Now rotate only allows you to rotate in one direction, and in this case the Z. It doesn't allow you to rotate it like in the X and Y direction, because it shouldn't. It should always be aligned right with whatever surface you're working on. So you can rotate it this way or this way. But like I said, you can't rotate it in the other directions because that just wouldn't make sense. This is on a flat plane, so we should only be able to rotate it like that. And the last one is, of course, scaling and non-uniform scaling, which allow you to grow it or shrink it. So again, like I said, this is just a real quick tutorial demonstrating one of these other modes called the texture align mode. So I said we're going to be going through these buttons when the time is right, and now the time was right to cover that, so well, that's why I covered it. So I don't know what we're going to be talking about in the next tutorial, but I promise you guys it's going to be amazing and awesome, and you should definitely check it out. So thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.